What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Krystal Palace. We are here at the Magic Kingdom in Tomorrowland specifically, but today we are on a snacking tour. We are going to get a bunch of different snacks around Magic Kingdom. We'll tell you how we like them, which ones are the best, which ones to skip. So let's go do this. All right, y'all, our first snack slash meal of the day. We got the waffle with strawberries and banana. Yum. Also, this is from Sleepy Hollow Refreshments. This waffle is really good, but there's a lot of Nutella, so it kind of makes it a little soggy, but a solid choice for a breakfast here at Magic Kingdom. Solid choice for the waffle. Alessa got the waffle as well, so what did you think?
Overall, decent. The fruit's a little soggy because of the Nutella, so that kind of sucks.
Yeah, but overall, Krystal Palace approved, Sleepy Hollow Refreshments. It's raining, as you can see, so we're gonna be doing a lot of eating, I think. I'm not mad at it though. All right, inside of Pecos Bill, they have these mobile order pickup windows, which is great, and we got some snacks, so let's check it out. Also in Pecos Bills, it's good to know that they do have a fuel rod station in here, and we got our snacks. I'm excited. We're gonna go take a seat. Okay guys, these are the iridescent Churro Nuggets from Pecos Bill. They were $7 each, pretty expensive, but they're Churro Nuggets. That's amazing. I think this is chocolate. Yep, so let's try them. Okay, so cute. Pretty good. I'm gonna try it in the chocolate though. They're good. A little chewy, but they're Churro Nuggets. Like, they're so cute. And they're iridescent for the 50th. Also good to know about Pecos Bills is that you can get a free cup of water. And why not get a free cup of water, you know? Okay, Alessa, what did you think of the corn dog list? Okay. Also, Alessa is Joey's cousin, so yes, technically she's the only one that can fill in for the taste testing position. Yeah. So
I'm gonna try my best. But these are the Churro Nuggets, and we get some chocolate sauce with them. Overall, I think they taste pretty good. I like them honestly better than the full length churro.
Agreed.
I think they are a lot crispier, so I like that. The only thing is I wish they would have come out a little bit hotter. Just because they're right now like room temp.
Right.
So, but besides that, tastes really good. I kind of like them a little better on their own than with the chocolate sauce, because the chocolate sauce is just really sweet.
Yeah, it's like kind of weird. It's not like the best chocolate ever.
Yeah. So overall, I would say like 6.5, 7 out of 10.
Yes, I kind of agree with that.
Yeah.
I'd say like 6, 8.
Yeah.
6,
I agree.
8. So if you want to consider that Krystal Palace approved, you can. But it's a good portion size as well. Like,
yeah, we got about like 7 or 8.
Yeah, for $7. And they're pretty filling. So good experience. Glad we tried them.
Yep.
All right, next stop on our snack tour, spring rolls. So we have the cheeseburger and the 50th. Here's them. Cheeseburger, you get 2 rolls. And they also have the 50th ones with pastrami, pepper jack, and mustard dipping sauce. There they are.
Thank you.
Okay, Alessa, how are the cheeseburger spring rolls?
I think they taste good. I think they're a solid snack. I think there's definitely pickle in here, or maybe like pickle juice, so because I'm getting a pickle vibe. Let me try it with the sauce. The sauce is really good. I think that definitely helps it. But like, do you need to get it? No.
Interesting, because I feel like everybody raves over that.
I don't know why. I've had better scents.
Good to know, guys. Yep. The official Krystal Palace taste tester. Sorry, Joey. You lost your position. I just tasted the spring roll. It's very heavy on the pickle. Like, I immediately bit it and I was like, pickle. I don't like pickles. But maybe if it wasn't such a strong pickle taste, it would be a little better. Like, I have such a bad taste in my mouth right now. But I'm glad we got to try them. Okay, so stop number, I lost count what we're on, but corn dog nugget time from Casey's Corners. Casey's Corners.
Casey's hot dog.
Casey's Corner.
Casey's
Corner. It's been a long day, guys. How are they?
Of course, they're always good. These are
Wait,
one
let's
of
see
the
the
best.
inside. Yum.
Honestly, you can't go wrong with these. Always a solid snack or food or dinner, whatever you want to have it for. Highly recommend.
Yum. Guess where we are snacking now. Okay, so from Cosmic Rays, I got the kids chicken fingers and fries. Really, honestly good for me because I know I want to have some more snacks later. And they have come with a little water or juice or milk and either an orange or apples. So I got apples, so looks good. All right, our last treat of the day, right before enchantment, we had to get the Haunted Mansion Push Pops from Sleepy Hollow Refreshments. I'm so excited to try this out. Look how cute it is. It's like these stretching murals, but a push pop. Let's eat. Okay, when you're snacking at Disney World, it's honestly like it's an Olympic sport to balance everything. Yeah, this is going all over, folks. Okay, I just taste icing and graham crackers.
This is chocolate.
Ooh.
This is edible.
That's what I mean. It's an Olympic sport. This is edible. Chocolate?
Yeah, white chocolate.
Cute. Next to a garbage can. That Disney life. No, a fallen soldier. I lost my stretching room picture. Okay, so it's like a trifle cake with graham crackers and icing and cake. It's good. I like it. It's pretty plain, which is good for me. So, this is Krystal Palace approved. Alessa, what do you think of your push pop?
Tastes good, but not something I would get again. Just really complicated to eat. Like really complicated.
Yeah, I dropped my chocolate.
Yeah.
It's a little dry too, but it's cute. Yeah. It's a good idea. All right, that does it. Snacking around Magic Kingdom. Signing off next to a garbage can on Main Street, USA. Can't get more Disney than that. Thank you guys for watching. It's just so fun to try so many different treats. My favorite today was the Churro Nuggets. What was your favorite today?
Shoot, what did I eat today?
The Churro Nuggets.
The corn dog nuggets.
Corn dog nuggets.
Corn dog nuggets.
Cool. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Krystal Palace. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.